which is a premier body that promotes and protects the interest of the business community. I understand that it is one of the oldest business chamber in India. The important aspects of the Goa Chamber is that while effectively taking up the concern of the trade industries with the government, it is also kept in the interest of the state and the people in mind. The Goa Chamber is not only has been serving the business community, it is along with the advise the government to the various corporations and other important communities, important committees which they have represented on the various organizations in the government. When the new GST regime and the RERA Act has introduced in the Goa, the challenges before the state government was to create the awareness in the state. The government was creating the awareness with the help of Goa Chamber of Commerce. They have organized the various seminars with the different stakeholders in the state for the smooth transaction. I am told that the GCI today has the 17 committees catering the very segment of the trade and commerce and are doing the fantastic jobs. I would like to specially mention the Taxation Committee, the IT Committee, the Agriculture Committee, the Basic Infrastructure Committee, and the Women's Committee, Education Committee, who are doing the wonderful job in their areas. I will to seek the help of the Goa Chamber of Commerce to assist the state in promoting the skill development and entrepreneurship development in the state.